Shut up.
Hello, listeners. We have a story to tell you. For a place where you can explore your interests, engage in learning, and be introduced to some of the most rewarding careers in the 21st century?
Then come to the Sabin Schellenberg Professional Technical Center annual student showcase on Wednesday, February 26th from 6 to 8:30 p.m.
Open exclusively to students residing in the North Clackamas attendance area. The Sabin Schellenberg Center is the largest high school career and technical center in the state, offering over 60 courses in the 16 high-demand, high-wage career and technical programs.
From automotive technology to law enforcement, from cosmetology to health services, the programs at the center provide a unique opportunities for your child to explore their passions and interests and to learn industry standard skills and acknowledge in the career area of their choice.
Students are bused from their home high school to the center during the school day for their Sabin Schellenberg course. Sabin Schellenberg strives to make sure their programs are inclusive and that they are supporting students to get exposure to programs where they may not have traditionally seen themselves.
We encourage you to come to the Student Showcase on February 26th. You will meet the teachers, see the facility, and watch advanced level students showcase what you will be learning.
Both the North and South campuses will be open. To eliminate parking hassles, a shuttle will run between the two campuses throughout the event.
We're leaving shut.
Thanks for listening.